adventure.
It's May 27th, 2026. It's my 56th birthday, and I am celebrating today with epoxy. These are the shelves that go in the pantry, and I have just epoxy coated the tops of them so that they're nice and smooth. And I am working on a Scullery sign that will go above our pantry. This will be the emblem at the top, and we are going to gold leaf the Scullery and the little outside edge, and that's going to hang above our pantry. I'm also working on another gauge that I plan to use in the back of the trailer. So let's go out and look at what we've accomplished in the trailer. I'm pretty impressed. Corey has put the legs on Lupa's platform, so it's a lot more steady now. But I would say the main bit of progress has been we have the pantry doors in place. So finally this area is pretty much complete other than the drawers inside. And I have chosen, since Corey used one of the crate panels as the top of this, and since a crate panel is the bottom, I mixed up a custom color, and the interior of the doors and the interior of the pantry is all this darker blue color to tie in the trunk panels, and the trunk panels down here, just a touch of blue going across. And then to continue that blue, I added a blue here, so it looks like it's a continuation of that trunk top, and it really shows nice from over here. Also, the panel is now in place with the electrical, and so it's starting to feel like it's all coming together. I'm thinking that the Scullery sign, we will put in a couple of eye hooks here in the ceiling, and it'll just hang here. It can be removable, you know, while the trailer's moving, or maybe not. Won't get in the way of putting anything up here on top, because it will be just hung by chains. And where the old cabinet used to be, there is a metal beam that goes across, but it's going to be really, really light. I carved it out of foam, covered it in epoxy, and I can't wait to get it up there and see how that kind of plays along with this whole area. But that's May 27th, 2026, and I'm starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel, I think. I did more cleaning yesterday too, because, yeah, you know. So anyway, we're starting to move some of the tools out. So once we get the tools out of here, but before we can do any of that, we still have all of the bathroom to complete. The toilet's not attached. You know, there's still a lot to do in the bathroom, and the hot water heater. There's things to do in the hot water heater down there. But other than that, hanging the guitar case in the bathroom as a medicine cabinet. But like this space out here, I mean, this space out here is getting close to being done. Oh, what a wonderful thing it's going to be when it's done. So do you have any update on the camper?
Happy birthday.
Yeah. Today Corey is preparing my birthday dinner in our 1960 Kamado. That was a gift from my parents to me, and I grew up with this thing. It's appropriate that for my 56th birthday that I will celebrate with a smoked something. I don't know what flavor my birthday dinner is going to be, but he's in here smoking it.
It's going to be tasty.
It is. I was just catching everybody up on what was going on with the camper. I told him I'm spending my birthday epoxying shelves and making a scullery sign. So the things we enjoy doing, right?
Yes. It's coming along.
Yeah, I think so. Okay. Always an adventure?
Always.
That's it for this Lake Alameda update. We're so glad you hung out with us. If you enjoy unique projects like this, you need to explore the rest of our channel. We're not just about flipping this RV. We're all about adventure, creativity, incredible food, and turning trash to treasure. We've got videos on our travels all over the world, our deep love for animal conservation, and fun DIY projects that cover everything from house flipping, RV renovation, to furniture flipping. We even have a bunch of videos showcasing our personal artwork. And for those who love a good theme, you'll find our passion for cooking, party planning, and theming in videos of themed dinners and cake decorating. I even FaceTime cook with my 88-year-old dad once a month. If you've got a curious brain, our channel is definitely the place for you. Hit the subscribe button, explore our travel and renovation playlist, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.